Yo, what is going on, y'all? Sleep back with another video, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how I would restart meme coins with $100 to $1,000, anywhere in that range. Basically, that's the range that everyone starts with. They make their first crypto deposit into Coinbase or whatever you're using. So basically, I'm going to be talking about in today's video is how I would start over with that amount. So first of all, we're going to have a trading terminal, which is Axiom. I'm going to have the link to Axiom in the description. You're going to get 30% off every single fee that you would have paid to the platform. Basically, you're going to be saving a lot of money under my code, so use the code in the description. Second off, how would I actually make money from $100 to $1,000? There's going to be a couple things you're going to want to avoid. Yo, real quickly before the video gets started, if you keep missing crypto shorts, you're not the only one. There are too many coins moving every day to watch everything yourself, so we built Opportunity Engine. It scans hundreds of future pairs for weak pumps, flash crashes, support breaks, dead cat bounces, volume spikes, funding flips, and potential dump setups. Then sends the cleanest alerts into Discord. Inside VIP, every callout is tracked with data, wins, losses, entries, stops, targets, and which setups are actually performing. That helps us rank the stronger alerts, filter out weaker patterns, and keep improving the quality over time. If you want the alerts, the research, and a community of traders hunting better shorts together, hit the link below and join us. Alright, let's get right into the video. You're going to want to avoid new pairs and final stretch. If you are newer to trading meme coins, this is going to be more like gambling. This is something that you need to learn over time with small amounts. Actually learn how these move, right? So totally first step, avoid new pairs, final stretch. Maybe even put your filters on something where it blocks out these coins. You're going to want to be looking at migrated, right? So there's two different things we are going to want to look at, which is migrated and also discover. So let's get straight into it. So as you guys know, new pairs is every single coin that is coming out. Final stretch is coins that are doing well that have just came out. And migrated is coins that pass the doing well phase and people are actually investing into them and believing in them, right? So maybe communities will form from this, or it's a TikTok trend. This one is donating fees to a eagle. This one's just live and he has a community pushing his coin. This one is a narrative of a Tesla flying off the road. So we're gonna wanna actually look at migrated and pick a coin that we think is very good, right? So you don't have to actually pick a coin, but we're gonna wanna wait for something to come in here that we think is good, right? Instead of sitting here and trading new pairs and final stretch, we're going to sit in migrated and we're gonna watch for a good narrative, right? So let's look at Finance Bros. Finance Bros are officially taking over right now, and today is the perfect time to send a coin to them. I think it's a very big normie trend on TikTok as well. Everyone wants to become a finance bro. Elon also responded to this post yesterday. So it's a pretty good post.
Thank you to SoulPump for sponsoring today's video. SoulPump is a top on-chain Solana gaming platform that I like using, especially when markets are slow and there's not much action. All you have to do to get started is connect any Solana wallet like Phantom, and you jump straight into their games directly from the wallet. You can try their 50-50 coin flip, on-chain blackjack, and crash style games. They also offer daily rewards like a free Solana case and hourly airdrop style bonuses. Plus, they have their own token, SoulPump, that you earn as you play. If you want to play where I play and stay active even when the markets are quiet, head over to SoulPump and use my code SLEEP. Now, let's get back to the video.
We've had all these coins, we've had Dooner, we've had one with the coins with the Wojak type of pictures. So this is kind of vibe. Honestly, out of these three, let's see, we don't have a coin for Shadow the Eagle yet. After Jackie's death, he's been in the news non-stop. This narrative isn't going to be around for very long, not going to lie. I don't like it. Tesla nears unveiling of new flying roadster. Could be decent if it's a Elon project, right? So between these coins, meme season, I don't like this at all. It's slop. I think FTR and Finance Bros are the two coins that I would look at. So let's look at both of them right now. We picked what coin we thought was good. We're going to click on Finance Bros. So I showed you guys how to find a good coin. Now I'm going to show you how to read the actual bundles and how we're going to invest into this coin to make money. So we're on the 1 second chart on Finance Bros. So the second thing we're going to want to do is I'm just going to up the time frame a little bit so we can see the full chart, and click hide marks on bars. We'll basically get rid of all the bubbles on this chart. So as you guys can see, this chart formation is actually pretty healthy. It is up kind of fat though. So you guys can see these candles went from 12K all the way up to 115K, right? So that means that there's a lot of buys, and as you guys can see up here, it's up 200%, definitely a lot more than that in the last 24 hours, but it's up a lot. So there's gonna have to be some selling pressure, but we can see over here on the right, token stats are pretty clean. The DEX is paid, LP's burned. There's less than 5% of bundles, barely any insiders, devs holding 0%, snipers are holding 0%. Top 10 holding is 20.51%, which just means the top 10 holders are owning 20% of the supply, which is a little bit bearish, but not super bearish. Let's look over at the bubble maps. Insight X looks very clean. Let's look at Faster 100X, very clean. Bubblemaps.io, very clean as well. We're seeing a little bit of clusters here, like percents. These are just the top holders. So let's actually get rid of that right now. And let's talk about an entry on this coin and understanding the narrative, right? So we have a Twitter group here. There's 276 people in the group, and there is 200 people looking at the coin. This has room to grow because it is a TikTok trend, and it is something that's being talked about a lot nowadays. Finance bros. Me personally, I am a finance bro. I'm actually a quant, if you guys did not know. Join the Discord, link in the description if you want to make money. But anyways, I'm getting a little bit off topic. So basically, we're looking at this coin. It's at 130K. We had the pullback down to 110. When we're looking for entries, we're going to want to be looking for an entry that is 30 to 50% down. You can even go 25 to 50%. I like to go for 30 to 50%. So what you can do is actually take the price from where it is at now and where you clicked on the coin, or even from the high, and click on this little thing right here. It doesn't matter which one it is. You can take it from the high here, and you'll see the percentage right here. And then I like to move it down to around 30%. And then I also will do another one, and this is just to help me get my entry. This isn't any technical analysis or anything like that, guys. Don't try to clown me for this. This is my strategy and how I make money drenching. So if anyone wants to judge, it's totally fine. Go for it, whatever. So now we have our entry zone somewhere down in this range right here. You guys can see if we enter into this blank spot, I'm gonna want to look for an entry, and we're just gonna close it in real quick as well. So my entry is gonna wanna be down here in this zone. I think the narrative is super good. I'm gonna actually, if you guys would like to actually check this coin once the video is up and see what it's at, currently it is August 14th at 19:31, which is 7:31 p.m. my time. I believe this coin is going to do well. I think the narrative is very good and strong, and I think the chart structure speaks for itself as well. The stats on the coin are very clean. For it to go down, 1,200 people would have to get out. I think the coin's very good, and this is how it actually turned, you know, $100 into a lot in this space, right? We're buying in at, you know, say for example, they wick down to 106K. I want to buy at 106K, and you know, hold your position and take profits as we go up, right? We don't fully exit the position if we get to 200K. We don't fully exit the position if we get to 400K. Unless we're going down a substantial amount and you are in a bad amount of drawdown, which if you're taking bets on these coins, guys, don't be a bitch. This is my quote of the day. Don't be a bitch, bro. If you're in this game to make money, you can't be a bitch, okay? You can't be the one who puts 100 into a coin and is, oh, I'm scared, I'm gonna pull out now, I'm gonna pull out. If you find something like we just found and you want to buy into it and you believe in it, buy in and hold and take your profits as the coin goes up. Don't be a bitch and sell, okay? That's what I'm saying. If you get in a substantial amount of drawdown where the price is all the way down here, yes, you're gonna want to get out, take a little bit of your money out. But guys, if you're down like 20%, don't get out of the coin. You know what I mean? Like, I know my chart analysis looks fucking insane right now on the chart, but this is just how I get my entry. Believe in getting good entries, guys. I believe in these coins because of the fact that I have so much experience in this lane, right? All right, guys, I appreciate you guys for watching today's video. This was just a small little strategy that I use to find the coins that I like. And if you're new, you should really use this strategy to find coins. In my opinion, this is a good entry right here. In my opinion, this is a very good way to trade meme coins in 2026 if you're a beginner with a small amount. Genuinely love this strategy so much. It's made me a fuck ton of money space. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I have a mentorship in my Discord if you guys would like to join the server. Send me a direct message. I am the founder of the server. You guys will see my name in the top right of the Discord server once you verify. Also, I have a VIP program where I have tons of people in the VIP that are very happy with the results that they are seeing currently and love being in the community. So if you want a community to trade with and have people that are actually succeeding, join the Discord, and I will see you guys in there. Type in the general chat. Peace out.